And in our Parashat Balak, we have the greatest Navi of all time in the Gentile community, Bil'am bin Beor, to the degree that his curse and the power that he had is compared with Moshe Rabbeinu, to the degree that the Navi has to say, remember my nation, what I did for you, that I blocked off the curses, the ill intent of Bilam and of Balak. Imagine when HaKadosh Baruch Hu, who knows the power of every individual, says you have to be tremendously grateful that this was blocked. What was the power of Bilam and what was the power of Klal Yisrael? Bilam ben Beor, if you take a look and pay attention, every single time that he goes to see the nation to curse them, he's seeing only a portion of Klal Yisrael. It says, take me up and show me a little part of Klal Yisrael. And the Pasuk even says, Efes katzeu tire vekulo lo tire. You're going to see a little bit of them, but not the whole thing. And perhaps one insight can be because Bilam knew and understood that Nesach Yisrael lo yeshaker v'lo yechazev. He can't destroy all of the Jews. So he wanted to have shlita, to have control over a portion. Let's at least destroy a portion of it. But the koach of Klal Yisrael, as Bilam himself, the pasuk says, the beginning of Perek Chavdalit, Vayar et Yisrael shochen lishvatav, v'tei alav ruach Elokim. That Klal Yisrael was sitting together as one, all of the shvatim, shiftei ka. And he says, Matovu alecha Yaakov, mishkelotecha Yisrael. He sees the beauty of Am Yisrael as a one nation. So it's true that he's seeing only a portion of it over here. But he says, Shochen lishvatav, that all of the shvatim is when you see one shevet, it's as if you've seen all of the shvatim. The unity, the love and oneness of Am Yisrael, it is in such way he realized that you cannot divide and conquer. Bil'am Rasha is a person that has ayin ra'ah. He has a bad eye. And the way that works is he separates only the negativity. Vayasem el midbar panav. He says, let's just separate the egel hazahav, the sins that they have done. The mindset of divide and conquer, not just in physicality, but even in spirituality. And by us, we are all one chativa achad, we are one nation. Even though that we have our moments of negativity, but we have also, it's one with all the positive that comes. When you have all of the Klal Yisrael together as one, we're like Talmidim Avraham Avinu, the opposite power of Bil'am, the goodness, the positivity, the oneness, the taking responsibility for one another, just like Avraham Avinu took responsibility even for a cousin of his that was not necessarily aligned with his values, and put his neck out, put his life in danger for his saving. And this is exactly the energy that we have against the energy of Bil'am. Bil'am and Avraham Avinu are contrasted in the Mishnah and Pirkei Avot together. Bil'am is a divide and conquer, is the focus on negativity. By us is focus on the good and the virtue, and is unity, not being divided. That's Shochen Lishvatav, and that's Matovu Alecha Yaakov. That is alive today as much as it was alive in the time of Bil'am and the time of Klal Yisrael in the Midbar, for all of us to focus on that ayin tova, and the positivity and the virtue of every individual and of the community, and also to remember that we are shochen lishvatav. Even if you see one person, that's part of the entire totality of Klal Yisrael in that very special way for all of us. Amen.